So whatever shortage in resources we may have, we compensate in our technical capacities and in our commitment, and we make the best of what we have. And that's what we have on display here. Suffice to say that the government, in its strategy to mainstream resilience as a part of a line of function of the government, we are investing in ODPEM, we are investing in our ability to stand up communications, even in disaster. We are investing in our security forces, we are investing in radars, we are investing in our boats, we are investing in our air surveillance, and other investments which will increase Jamaica's ability to respond to crisis and recover quickly. So eventually, I think within another 5